Usambut Menteri Rangba uba longru State President ka NPP uba Presiden Seng ula ong baki haban yet Ialade bat ban Pynkylla ya ka Rukom Treikam jong ka Seng. Ka Seng kan sa penlongru ya ka Nongialam ban kmi bat wat igijing duna ka ba penlong ya ka jingkalon ka NPP ha ka election Lok Sabha wat haba ka NPP kadang bat ya ka buar senchar hamikhalia Henry kam shamlala ban bat biang natura seat bat bakalale sniu bha ha ka shillong seat. KHASI uba tensong ulah kop ru ban ai da ka ejahat persya EU bat ya ketenat lada ka don kanu ke jingbam sam.
We will have a meeting very soon. We will examine, we will review, we will discuss, we'll find out where is the loopholes, where is the minus, where is the plus. Then, accordingly, action will be taken. Because as I said to you, losing election with thumping majority or with a very thin margin does not make any difference. Once you're losing means you're losing. Once you're winning means you're winning. So our party is therefore very soon we'll sit down, we'll discuss, we'll do the research about all this, and then after that necessary correction, necessary action will be taken.
KHASI